Hi everyone! I'm excited to share my journey from idea to published picture book. Today I'll walk you through the first step, coming up with the idea. How do you generate and choose the best idea? I'm Charlotte Glaze, an author, illustrator, and mom. I recently wrote my very own picture book and I want to show you how to write yours. I'm going to walk you through what I did and learned through this process. This is a whole series of videos, so hit the subscribe button to know when I post the next video. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that my picture book Storm Trucks is available on Kickstarter right now. Check out the link below to grab your copy and get bonus stickers and bookmarks. Thank you for your support. Let's explore where ideas come from. For my book Storm Trucks, my son was obsessed with cars and trucks. We watched Cars on repeat, we read Goodnight Construction Site and Little Blue Truck every night, and played with toy cars and trucks all the time. Trucks were always on my mind. Living in Oklahoma, where thunderstorms can be intense and scary for kids, I wanted to help my son feel less afraid. I came up with a story about the thunder being caused by trucks in the sky. This idea not only comforted him, but also showcased the beauty of a child's imagination. My idea was born from combining two unrelated elements to solve a problem: my son's fear of thunderstorms and the sound of construction trucks. I combined the two concepts and created Storm Trucks. Generating a good idea involves brainstorming in various ways. Here are some tips to help you brainstorm. Write down every idea. You might get an idea while you're on a walk or driving in your car or in a dream. And once you have an idea, keep an idea file or notebook. Write every idea down. You might not be ready to use them yet. Some ideas need time to grow, but you don't want to forget them, so write them all down. Look for inspiration everywhere. My kids give me a lot of ideas, just listening to them and the questions they ask about the world. I also find inspiration in music and movies and art and nature. Once you start looking for ideas, you'll find them. Here are some brainstorming methods that can help you generate ideas. Question brainstorming. Spend 10 to 15 minutes writing down every question you have about a topic. Mind mapping. Start with a main idea and branch off with related ideas. Starbursting. Ask who, what, where, when, why, and how about your topic or problem. Crazy eights. Take 8 minutes, write or sketch 8 solutions to your problem. This is great for children's books, where the main character tries and fails multiple times before succeeding. Reverse brainstorming. Ask, how can I make this problem worse? This is a great way to take your story to another level of drama. Word banking. Write down every word you can think of related to 1 or 2 keywords. The scamper method. Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse your ideas. Check out these resources for more brainstorming tips. Storystorm is Tara Lazar's annual challenge where authors share their idea generation processes. Every January, authors share their ideas for brainstorming, and the older posts are available year-round to give you inspiration anytime. Another resource is Writing Picture Books by Anne Whitford Paul. In her book, Anne gives exercises to refine your story idea by changing point of view, setting, structure, and so much more. It is a great book to learn about writing children's books. We've gone over some great brainstorming ideas in this video, and I hope you try them and let me know if they worked for you. Remember, the first step in creating anything creative is the idea. Play with your idea until it's something you and others will love, something interesting and new. Don't forget, my book Storm Trucks is live on Kickstarter right now. Check out the link below to find out more and support this project. Also, I have a whole series of videos coming to walk you through the process of making a children's book from idea to published book. So subscribe to keep up to date on those videos.